Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to understand the concept of split-screen video editing using Blender. You must have seen the split-screen concept implemented in real life while watching the news channel where multiple screens are broadcasted on one single screen. Split screen also finds application in many other fields, hence it's an important concept in video editing. For this tutorial we require 4 different video samples. Let us first start by importing the videos from file browser pane one by one. We need 4 different videos for this demonstration. Note that we will not be using audio in this example, hence, as soon as you import the video, delete the audio strip. Also keep a 1-channel gap between each video strip. This may take some time as it requires positioning of multiple video strips. This part of editing is very much essential and therefore do not hurry. Once all 4 video strips are placed with a 1-channel gap in between, click on topmost strip. Go to Add. Click on Effect Strip. Then click on Transform. You will see that a transform strip appears in the empty channel. Now go towards the right and in Transform Options, change position X to -25 and position Y to 25. Click on Uniform Scale. Set Scale to 0.5. Under Compositing tab, set Blend to Alpha over. We need to now do the same procedure for remaining strips with different X and Y position values. I will now quickly repeat this process for remaining video strips. Meanwhile, you may keep an eye on various parameters that are being manipulated. Now that we have completed the process for all the videos, we can see that all the 4 videos are appearing in one single screen. When we play the video, we can observe that all the videos are simultaneously running. Congratulations! You have learnt an important concept today.